Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Okay, again I'm here with one more video of drawing and craft for you. Last time we met with a video of drawing, right? Now this time I have brought a video of craft for you. This craft work is given in your book, that Art Plus book. Which page number, which material is required, that I'm going to show you now. So children, open page number 9 of your book where the ice cream cone is given. Now along with this work, one green paper is given to you which you can cut into 2 squares. When you will make a cut along the lines, given dotted lines I have already cut, but you can see the paper of this size is given and there it is mentioned, the lines are given to you how you can cut it. The scissors sign is also given there, so ask your parents to cut the paper for you and you will get 2 such square papers from one given green paper which is in the book. So ask your parents to help you out in cutting. Now I'll show you how to turn this simple square paper into an ice cream cone. Okay, so we'll start by keeping the paper like this. You have to keep the paper on a hard surface like a table or something like that. So I'm keeping it on my lap so that I can show you properly, but you have to keep it on a table or something which is having a hard surface. Now you have to keep it such that the white side will be on the top. Okay, now keep it in the diamond shape. Now it is looking like a square paper. Now I'm turning it a little bit and it has become a diamond. All the steps though are given in the book, but still I'm repeating the steps for you so that it will be easy for you to make it. Now take one on the left and right. Can you see these 2 points? Now take one point and fold it like this. But while folding you have to keep in mind that this point, this last point, has to be kept sharp. So we are not going to keep it straight but little tilted. Okay, little tilted, not much but little tilted, and then make it tight. Okay, this is from one side. Now we'll take the other side and we'll fold it here only, keeping the middle point, this point sharp. See how I'm keeping this point sharp. So keep this point sharp only and just fold it like this. Can you see how it is looking? You're able to see now how it is looking. This portion is not touching the line, but there is a gap. Okay, so you have to leave a little gap also. Now what exactly you have to do is turn it around and fold it back, this top portion. Now also it is looking like a cone but not like an ice cream cone properly, so you have to keep it like this first and then turn it around. After turning it, fold this portion a little bit back along with the green portion. Okay, and simply press it from the top. After pressing it, just keep one finger, one on the left, one on the right, and turn this portion back upside. Turn this portion back upside and fold it tightly like this. Fold it tightly like this. Okay, this much is over. What we have done till now, we have taken a simple square paper, kept it in diamond shape, Then left and right hand side we have folded such that this point will remain sharp. Okay, now by folding you have to see this line should not touch this one, but there should be a little gap between them. Okay, just like this, and then turn it around, fold this little bit back, put your fingers, one on the left, one on the right, and then turn it back. Okay, so till here, till step number 4 in the book, it is complete. This is step number 4. It is given step by step. You can take reference from the book also. It is given in the book also. Now, as you have turned it back, it is looking like this. Now, this way we were keeping it. Here we have folded. Now we'll turn it around again and we'll push it down so that the white portion will not be visible. Now left and right hand side again, we'll keep one finger and take this triangle shape up again like this. Okay, and on the top this tip is there, so fold it a little bit. Now when you will turn it, is looking like an ice cream cone. So this is the ice cream cone given in your book. Try it. You can take reference from the book also. If you have any difficulty, you can go through the video also, and still if you didn't get it, you can ask me the online session classes. All right, so children, keep making new things, be creative, and God bless you.